Welcome to Leka Eto Speak YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Gbas-gbos ọ̀rọ̀ ni ẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ló délẹ̀ yìí o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ni arábìnrin yìí ló jáde síta ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run kò ní lọ láláìṣẹ wípé òun ti jẹ́ kí ó yé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tẹ́lẹ̀ but òun ló ya ilé tí dídí òun ni kò gbọ́rọ̀ ló ya onígbàgbé ẹ̀dá because òun ti jẹ́ kó yé pé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí tí ò bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kó wá sí ìmúṣẹ ó ní láti múra sí ara ẹ̀ arábìnrin yìí ní wòlíì lòun so dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo àwọn bó ṣe pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí àkíyèsí tó fà á létí tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà dẹ̀ kọ etí ọgbọ́n tó kọ etí dídí sí tí kò gbọ́rọ̀ tí kò tẹ̀lé ìlànà tó ní kó tẹ̀lé so gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí arábìnrin yìí wọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ nígbà tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó darí ẹ̀wọ̀n dé àti kó tó lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ ni arábìnrin yìí ló yànnàná so ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin yìí sọ nípa gbogbo àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà so ẹ ṣe gan.
Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, the day you were sentenced 0.1 second the minute your sentence was pronounced you looked back in the court and you pointed at me. You said, Uma, you lo ma rán mi lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n, ó dẹ̀ rán mi lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n. The judge looked up. The judge looked at me. And I stood up and I walked out. This interview. Obviously, I know there is no way you can mention my name. Because you had a perception about me. And you see, when I say a lot of things on social media, mi ò kí ń fẹ́ dá sí. Kò ṣe pé mi ò ní nǹkan tí mo lè sọ. But I'm not a content creator. And I don't like, all this back and forth that people will sit down, carry microphone and be talking, giving analysis, giving opinion. It's not me. That is not the reason why I am on the media space. But unfortunately, ẹ̀yin ará social media, ayé yín kọ òótọ́, ara yín kọ òótọ́. Irọ́ lẹ fi ń jẹun, lẹ fi ń mu. Ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò bí àwa bẹ́ẹ̀, wọn ò dẹ̀ kọ́ wa bẹ́ẹ̀, oníṣẹ̀dá ò dá wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ijesa, you should understand that there is somebody called Onípìlẹ̀. Ẹni tó ti kọ́ kí wọ́n gan tó mọ̀ kó tó wá ṣẹ. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, your matter is more of a spiritual. Ogun jà ẹ́, èdì ń dì ẹ́, àṣàsí ràn ẹ́, o ò rí mú bọ́. If you are very, very smart and you are very, very intelligent, some people are very gullible. And let me assume that I am part of the gullible people. If you remember very well, the different parts that I played when your incident happened, the different parts that I played, you saw Adetoun in different forms, in 3 different forms. And the day you were sentenced, remember the statement that you made. Few weeks, about a week before you came out of prison, do you remember the phone call that you made to some people? And those people said they couldn't do anything unless they contacted me, and they contacted me. Do you remember your first reaction? And do you remember the correction? Now, sorry, Woli ti temi, I don't argue with people when I say things. Do you remember at the film location, I'm retreating because of what you said. You see, I would not have said anything concerning your coming back. But the fact that you are still disrespecting the integrity and the dignity of a girl child. I always tell people that when there are situations, all of us should learn to come together. Not as individuals, because your interview obviously indicates that you have individual problems with some specific people. But I'm looking into the indebtedness of what your case is all about. Is to the girl child. And we owe every girl child the responsibility to protect them and to dignify them. Mori any location. Me o she movie rely me. Tony was the first person. Me, you, Baba Rainbow. Bada Shaggy. Somewhere in Ajaleki Conservative, what did they call it? I can't remember. Do you remember I saw you? You greeted me and I called you. Money as you say, Money o de en lo Ewon. So not people must find alone. You see, when some of you see people like us, you think that we are mediocres or we are non-entities. But thank God for divine spirituality. You waved it off. Few weeks before you went to jail, or a few months, let me say, I saw you at Oregun on the left-hand side where they sell generator. I rolled down my glass and I called you again. Motunro eleti. Oni ya Woli ma. I don't look for people around me, oh. Yeah? But I'm not going to make this about myself. Mo sọ fún mo ní àdúrà ẹ ti gbà ṣùgbọ́n ogun ẹ ò ṣẹ́ Ijesa dìímú. Now you are talking, you are a very good talker, you are a very good mental manipulator. It's very good. That is your own gift. But I have a few questions to ask you. If you were set up to come and act a movie, as a responsible man, who will ever write a script that you should be licking the fingers and the body up until you start touching a minor? What kind of script is that? Can you show us a copy of the script? How do you want, what are you trying to explain in the movie? So you as a responsible man, a father, you get to a movie location and they tell you to come and be licking the body, to come and sexualize the minor, and you went ahead and did it. Under which cameras? In a studio, in a movie scene, there is a director, there is light, there is a power. What do you call that? In continuity and all of that. Rather, in that location, there was only a CCTV that was set up. So even if somebody, a minor, had said, so person did this to me, and they brought you because the police wanted proof, and you started to lick the finger. You see, unfortunately, a lot has happened. And I want to, as much as possible, stay away from that a lot has happened, because I don't want to come low to some levels that I have to put myself for the sake of humanity or trying to speak for the girl child. Ijesa, yakori ekpe o. Mo sọ fún ẹ. Mo ládùúrà ẹ gbà, ogun ẹ ò ṣẹ́. You see these interviews you are granting up and down. You better just stop it. Biola, you should take that interview down. I think you should just respect the girl child and take down that video. You can archive it. You have it for future purposes. But not people should go and be viewing it. Because the more they view it, the more money you make. We all have platforms. And we all want to give everybody an opportunity. But bye-bye to fight your battles with the people that you're fighting it with, whatever parties are involved. But please, don't you ever say that you did not do this, you did. Even in a movie location, the fact that you touched a minor is a criminal offense. Let us even assume that you were shooting a movie. So plus you, plus the producer, plus all of you, y'all gotta go down for that. So somebody calls you to a movie location and they tell you to be sexually assaulting a minor. And as a responsible, right-thinking person, you picked up that role and you acted it. I remember somebody asked me a very simple question that time when that issue happened. Only Baba Ijesa was dating a princess at that time. That so is not this. I said, listen, Baba Ijesa and princess are adults. So does it mean that if Baba Ijesa marries princess, Baba Ijesa cannot protect princess children? So does that give Baba Ijesa the audacity to touch princess child? Whatever two adults are doing is nobody's business. However you help yourself or you intertwine yourselves is nobody's business. The bottom line is a minor was involved. Baba Ijesa, hey, Mati Woli sọ̀rọ̀ o. Mo ti sọ fún ẹ o. Mo sọ fún ẹ wí kó tó kúrò lẹ́wọ̀n. Ìbílẹ̀, when we added him to the call, you remember what he said? You couldn't say what. Àṣepamọ́ ló wà, kò sí àṣegbé. What you did to him in a human being has ever heard it before. Ṣebí ọ̀rọ̀ obìnrin náà ni. Ṣùgbọ́n ogun ẹ̀ ò tí ì ṣẹ́ o. Baba Ijesa, èmi Adetoun ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Orúkọ mi ti Woli. There's never a thing I say I'll never come to pass except you people don't want to regard it. mo sọ fún enjoy ẹ mo ní àdúrà mo ní tó bá ṣe ń jáde lẹ́wọ̀n ní next week mo ní kó tètè face spiritual cleansing spiritual life where ó wá bọ́ sórí social media òun wíjọ́ kábàkàbà òun wá public sentiment ṣùgbọ́n ẹkún àdásùn ẹ tó bá kú ìwọ nìkan àti ṣẹ̀dá ẹ ó wà nílẹ̀ mo wà nù ẹ o I'm only talking because you are still disrespecting the girl child. You are still, to this point, disrespecting the girl child. But let me warn you. Ọ̀rọ̀ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ ni o. I told you at a movie location. It happened. When I came to the police station, when they called me, because of the prophecy that I saw and I told you, I stood in the place of somebody who is protecting the girl child. At the location, you met me, you saw me in the capacity of a prophetess. And the day you were sentenced, on you my dead low man run me lẹ́wọ̀n, ó dẹ̀ rán mi lẹ́wọ̀n. Èmi kọ́ mo rán ẹ lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n. Ẹ kò lè kà sí ọ̀rọ̀ májẹ̀mú ni. Iṣẹ́, if you had listened to the truth and you went on your knees and you reconciled and you prayed, ó mà lè má rí ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn, ó mà lè ráàánú gbà. Ṣùgbọ́n torí pé ogun ẹ ò tí ì ṣẹ́, òun ló ṣe ń ṣe kábàkàbà kiri. Jẹ́ kí orí ẹ kó pé, jẹ́ kí iyì ẹ kó ṣí. Torí mo
lovers all over the world. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o, kí Ọlọ́run bá kó máa fi sọ ẹ̀ṣọ́ wa nínú ayé, kí Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí ọ̀tá, kí Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí wọ́n dọ̀wọ́ gbogbo wa mọ́lẹ̀, kórúkọ tèmi àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò wá, kí Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kórúkọ wa ó bàjẹ́. Eléyìí tó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó tún yáyàn lẹ́nu. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, tẹ́ ń wò wá, ẹ bá subscribe, ẹ like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, ẹ turn notification bell yín, so that anytime tá bá ti drop a new video, ẹ máa lè rí notification. So ẹ ṣé gan ni. We love you all. Thanks for watching.